If you run a business outside of US and you work with US companies, you probably need us to fill out a tax form for their RRS. Today I'm going to walk you how to fill it out, and I'm sharing the tips from my own experience, and the tips that I give in this video will not apply to all of the companies. I own a Croatian software development company, and I've had to fill out this form a couple of times. And small disclaimer here, I'm not an accountant, I don't have any experience in accounting, but I have my own accountant and I bothered her to help me fill out this form. It's a bit confusing and I hope this video will help. First, let's understand what this form is for. The W-8BEN-E form is required by the United States IRS for foreign entities doing business with US companies. This is the example form I downloaded from the IRS page, and it consists of many parts. It has 8 pages, a lot of fields to fill in, but good news is that most of the checkboxes and fields are optional. When you file a form, you will probably not have the same exact form like this one. For example, on Google Payments, I only stumbled upon part 1 and part 3. Part 3 is if you're in Croatia, well, you don't need this. You don't have any claim on tax treaty benefits. Skip this. You only need to fill the part 1, information on your company. So part 1 is basically the only part that matters, at least in case of my company, and of course the signature at the end. If it's not obvious, you have to be authorized to sign documents for the company you're filing the document, as with any official company documents that you sign. When you enter the name of the organization, your company name, there is one issue that, well, it's not exactly an issue, but not all of the characters are supported. IRS has a strict form, so let me see, what was it? It was uppercase, lowercase letters, numbers, spaces, hyphens, and ampersands. So basically no dots. If your company name contains any of the unsupported characters, just enter the company name without those characters. At least this was the case with Google Payments when I filled the W-8BEN-E form. You need to select the type of your company. It will probably be something like a corporation or a disregarded entity. My accountant explained, if your company has multiple owners, then it's a corporation, and if it has a single owner, then it's a disregarded entity. In my case, it's a corporation. Next chapter is the Foreign Account Tax Compliance Act, and you need to determine your status. If your company revenue mainly comes from commercial activities, such as providing software development services, you are likely an active NFFE. So check this. Next up is filling out the FTIN. FTIN or Foreign Tax Information Number, it's not the same as VAT. In case of Croatia, it's an OIB or OIB of the company, where the VAT is country code plus foreign TIN. In some forms you might get this part. Is your company an FFI? This only applies to a company that is a bank or a fund or an investment company, and if you own an IT company, well, you can skip this. Okay, that's it. At least my filing of the document was simple. It was only part 1 and the last part signing. But if you have any questions, post them below. I'll try to answer, or at least answer that I don't know. So thanks for watching.